In this next part of the show, I'd like to look a little bit ahead to the horizon at some of the growth opportunities for this company. So currently, Carvana is in 82 markets. They have 14 vending machines in operation in the US right now, And the company says that they should be within reach by the end of 2018 of 56% of the US population. And in terms of that long-term, the runway and the geographic markets that Carvana can tap into, the company's focused on the 200 markets in the US with populations over 200,000 people. And its current footprint, I was looking at the map, seems more concentrated in the south, southeast, kind of mid-Atlantic regions. So there's definitely the opportunity for it to expand to these other big markets within the United States. It has a very repeatable model for doing that. Management mentioned how it costs the company just $500,000 to establish a delivery-only market, whereas a vending tower runs $5 million. But with the vending towers, despite that increased investment, they're seeing, for example, the launch of a vending tower in a market will accelerate the results there. Again, this kind of brand building. This brand building location that gets a lot of attention and just builds some buzz in those local markets. And supporting the triple-digit growth that this company has been able to deliver, Carvana is also building a lot of the infrastructure it needs to accommodate all of this expansion. And in the process, they're hoping to also reduce the time and cost of transportation to buyers by expanding the national footprint. So there is going to be a new inspection and reconditioning center that'll go live in Indiana in 2019. That'll be the 5th one. So expands the annual capacity for the company to handle about 250,000 vehicles. That's over 2.5 times the expected unit sales in full year 2018. So clearly the management is thinking about down the road, as they continue to grow their unit sales volume, how they're going to be able to accommodate and handle all of that inventory. And I like to put into context for this company just how large the market is in terms of automobile or vehicle sales, and especially used car sales. So I pulled these numbers from investor materials that the company provides. There are almost $800 billion in used car sales in 2017, and just 7% of the market was claimed by the top 100 largest used auto retailers. The biggest one has less than 2% market share. So it's a very fragmented market, and that presents a lot of opportunity for companies like this